radio.
Simultaneously.
Transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Monroe County Sheriff's Office from Lieutenant Anderson. The house is a 4-year-old white male, 3 feet 0 inches tall, weighing 50 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. This was last seen wearing red Nike shorts, red Nike shirt, and no shoes. This house may be with his non-custodial father, Tristan Anderson. Tristan is a 22-year-old white male, 6 feet 0 inches tall, white and 180 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Tristan has warrants for aggravated kidnapping and attempted first-degree murder. They may be traveling in a white 2012 Chrysler Town & Country van with Tennessee tag number BRY381. If you have seen this husband, Tristan, or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Monroe County Sheriff's Office at 42344211212 or the TBI 1800 TBI-FM update.
15 years.